Development.
Performance.
Development.
Performance.
Development.
Performance.
Development.
Development.
Performance.
Performance.
We start keeping score. You and I get sick.
So what is Talent Review Week? Talent Review Week is a week for all team leaders focusing on assessing their team member experience, which are consists with performance and of course development. And then, before you come to this Talent Review Week, make sure you already did pre-appraisal with your team member. And then, this Talent Review Week is obligated for all TMP and TLP member. So don't forget to come.
Hoi Isaac Bandung, are you ready for Talent Review Week?